Hey guys, let's talk about rain. I have a fun experiment today that you guys should be able to do with your parents. You will need a glass of water, some shaving cream, and some blue food dye. The first thing we do is we put the shaving cream in the cup. Whoa. Then we're going to add the food coloring to the top. And then we wait. If it starts to take a long time, you can add a little bit of water to the top. And just like rain, eventually the water gets heavier and heavier until it gets too heavy for the cloud to hold it. And it starts coming down out the bottom of the cloud, like you can see there. This is a super easy experiment that you guys can do with your mom and dad at home. You should try it. It's really cool. I'll see you later. Bye.